Today I'm going to teach you how to remove ticket numbers from Zoho Desk email responses. This is particularly useful when you want to send professional emails to clients without the technical ticket reference cluttering your subject line, making your communication feel more personal and less automated. To get started, head over to Zoho Desk and log in to your Zoho account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Zoho Desk dashboard. This is your main workspace where you'll manage all your support tickets. From here, locate the plus button or the Add Ticket option at the top part of your screen. This button is your gateway to creating new tickets and sending emails through the system. After clicking the Add Ticket button, you'll need to start filling in the ticket information. Enter essential details such as the contact name, subject, and the recipient's email address. Make sure all the information is accurate before proceeding, as this ensures your email reaches the right person with the correct context. Once you've added every detail, a ticket editor window will appear on your screen. This is where you'll compose your actual message. Type out your message in the editor, making sure it's clear and addresses the recipient's needs. When you're satisfied with your message, click on Send as Email. This action prepares your ticket to be sent out as a standard email rather than just being logged in the system. Once you click Send as Email, a right side window will appear. This window shows you all the details of the ticket and confirms that it will be sending as an email. Now, this is the crucial step where you can control whether the ticket number appears or not. Under the subject line, you'll see a checkbox labeled Add Ticket ID to Email Subject. By default, this checkbox is typically checked, which means Zoho Desk will automatically append the ticket number to your email subject line. To remove the ticket number, simply click to uncheck this checkbox. This action ensures that your email will be sent as a regular email without including any ticket reference number, giving it a cleaner, more professional appearance. And that's it. By unchecking that simple box, you've successfully removed the ticket number from your Zoho Desk email responses, allowing your communication to appear more personal and less like an automated support system. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.